Jai Hind everyone, myself Aman Singh Besen, and I have recently got recommended for NDA 148 course from 21 SSB Bhopal, and I am here to share my conference day experience with you all. तो जब मैं कॉन्फ्रेंस हॉल के बाहर बैठा था 5वें दिन अपनी कॉन्फ्रेंस से पहले, तब मुझे वहाँ ज़्यादा वेट नहीं करना पड़ा। इनिशियली जब मैं वहाँ जाके बैठा तो जो मेरे से पहले जो कैंडिडेट गया था उसका कॉन्फ्रेंस समवॉट 15 to 20 सेकेंड्स में ख़त्म हो गया था। उसके बाद वेट मुझे लगभग 30 सेकेंड्स करना पड़ा। एंड व्हेन आई एंटर्ड द कॉन्फ्रेंस हॉल, my conference lasted for about 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, in which the president have asked me some very basic question. He asked me about my hobbies and what are my favorite books, which books I like the most. He asked me if there is any changes which I would like to do in that book. So my favorite book is The Alchemist, and as the president asked if there is some changes I have to do in that book. So I said that, sir, I don't think I am that competent in writing that I can change any context from that perfect book, which is very perfectly written by Mr. Paulo Coelho. So he insisted that you have to change something in that book. There must be something you must not like it. I again said that, sir, the book is perfect in itself. Then he said that you have to do it. There is no way you cannot answer this question. So at that time I think about it a little, and after thinking for 5 to 10 seconds, I said, sir, the book is perfect in itself, but if a similar kind of story was made on Indian context, then that would be a delight to read. So he was very happy about my answer, as he have already read The Alchemist, and he asked some other questions about that book, that who was the main character, which country the main character visited and all. Other than that, as I am fond of running, I go every morning to run for 5 kilometers. So he asked me some basic question about my running speed and how much distance I can cover, approx distance in 1 hour and all that. And after that he asked me some questions which were not related to the SSB part. He asked me, like, I wear this thread from Mahakal Mandir Ujjain. So he asked me what is the significance of this thread, when did I went to Mahakal Mandir Ujjain and all that. So it was very delightful to talk to all the assessors, to talk to the president and meet all the assessors in uniform. It was certainly a delight to the eyes. Thank you so much.